A dictionary is an associative array with a key and a value. The key and the value is separated with a colon and surrounded with curly braces. More key-value pair can be added with a comma. If there is any trailing comma at the end of the dictionary, it will be ignored and does not raise any errors. The key is always converted to a string, even if you put numbers or any other type. Number 1 and 2 are now string. And surprisingly, empty string is also allowed to be used in the key. You can also use variable in the value. If you don't put the quote around the value, Vimscript looks for the variable with that name. And of course, you raise an error if there is no such variable found. You can create dictionaries easier by using the hashtag. By prepending the curly braces with the hashtag, you do not have to surround the key with a quote every time. But the spaces cannot be used with the hashtag syntax. Of course, dictionaries can be nested inside another dictionary. As you can see, one dictionary is nested inside another dictionary.